Silk, often called the queen of fabrics, has captivated hearts for centuries. Its lustrous beauty, soft texture, and inherent elegance have made it a prized possession across cultures. From ancient emperors to modern fashion icons, silk has adorned the wardrobes of the elite and inspired countless tales of luxury and refinement. But what is it about silk that makes it so special? Silk is a natural protein fiber produced by certain insect larvae, primarily the silkworm. Unlike synthetic fabrics, silk is a renewable resource, spun from the cocoons of these tiny creatures. This natural origin gives silk its unique properties, such as its unparalleled softness, breathability, and ability to regulate temperature. The allure of silk lies not just in its aesthetic appeal, but also in its versatility. It can be woven into various textures and weights, making it suitable for a wide range of garments and home furnishings. From delicate scarves and flowing gowns to luxurious bed linens and opulent curtains, silk adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. However, the journey of silk from a tiny cocoon to a luxurious fabric is a fascinating tale of nature's ingenuity and human craftsmanship. Let's delve into the intricate process of silk production and explore the different varieties of this remarkable fiber. The production of silk, known as sericulture, is a meticulous process that has been perfected over millennia. It begins with the Bombyx mori moth, commonly known as the silkworm. These remarkable creatures are the primary source of the silk we use today. The life cycle of a silkworm is a marvel of nature. It starts with tiny eggs laid by the female moth. The eggs hatch into larvae or silkworms, which are voracious eaters, feeding primarily on mulberry leaves. As they grow, the silkworms molt several times, shedding their skin to accommodate their increasing size. After about a month of constant feeding, the silkworm begins to spin its cocoon. Using its salivary glands, the silkworm secretes a liquid protein that hardens upon contact with air, forming a fine, continuous filament. The silkworm spins tirelessly for days, creating a cocoon around itself, a protective casing for its transformation. To obtain silk, the cocoons are harvested before the moth inside can emerge. They are then steamed or boiled, a process that softens the sericulture, a gummy substance that holds the silk filaments together. This allows the filaments to be unwound, revealing the long, lustrous threads of silk. The process of unwinding the silk filaments from the cocoon is known as reeling. It is a delicate task that requires skill and precision. Once reeled, the silk filaments are twisted together to create silk threads of varying thicknesses, ready to be dyed and woven into luxurious fabrics. Silk, though often perceived as a single entity, encompasses a diverse range of varieties, each with its unique characteristics and properties. These variations arise from the different species of silkworms used, their diets, and the methods employed in processing the silk. Let's explore some of the most prominent types of silk. Mulberry silk, produced by the Bombyx mori silkworm, is the most common type of silk, accounting for about 90% of global silk production. Known for its lustrous sheen, smooth texture, and hypoallergenic properties, mulberry silk is highly valued for its luxurious feel and drape. Tussar silk, also known as wild silk, is produced by silkworms that feed on trees other than mulberry, such as oak, sal, and arjun. This gives Tussar silk its characteristic coarse texture and a more subdued sheen compared to mulberry silk. Tussar silk is often used in its natural off-white or light brown color, adding a rustic charm to fabrics. Airy silk, also known as peace silk or ahimsa silk, is produced by the Philosamia ricini silkworm, which primarily feeds on castor leaves. Unlike other silk varieties where the cocoon is boiled with the silkworm inside, airy silk is obtained after the moth has emerged from the cocoon, making it a cruelty-free option. Airy silk is known for its soft, woolly texture and is often used in shawls and blankets. Muga silk, produced by the Antheria assamensis silkworm found in Assam, India, is one of the rarest and most expensive types of silk. Known for its naturally golden hue, lustrous sheen, and durability, Muga silk is often reserved for ceremonial garments and royal attire. These are just a few examples of the diverse world of silk. Each variety possesses its unique beauty and properties, offering a wide array of options for fashion designers, textile artists, and discerning consumers alike.